Today we're replacing a section of old galvanized gutter, and you can see that the galvanized has rusted through completely. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to have Eddie climb up to the gutter, and he's going to get out his tools, and we need to remove these old gutter spikes. One way to do that is to actually saw right through the spike. Another way to do that is to put a pair of vice grips on it and pound out the nail. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and cut out the old section of galvanized. And you can see us here with the tin snips, and because galvanized is a thick metal, this is a little bit difficult to do. So we're probably going to get out the hacksaw and do a little cutting to make it a little bit easier for Eddie to do. And here's the hacksaw. You can see it does a nice job of cutting right through this material. Now we've put our new gutter up, and you can see it kind of overlaps about 4 to 6 inches. Next we're going to put another screw right down through the old galvanized into the aluminum to the new gutter. That will help hold it together. Now we're going to tighten up our hidden hangers. That only takes a few minutes. This will give us a lot of security on the fascia board. And finally, we're going to go ahead and seal the gutter with a special sealer made from OSI gutter lap. And this stuff's kind of like solder. It will flow underneath of the old gutter and make a great seam. Here we have an installed section of new gutter by Apple Drains in Charlotte, North Carolina. This job and many more with associated cost are posted on our website. Take a look, www.appledrains.com. So Paul, what is it you like to do?
This is Paul with Apple Drains, and this is what I like to do. Dig holes.
And this is Eddie, my foreman. So Eddie, what do you like to do?
What I like to do?
Yeah.
Dig the holes and get through with it.
What do you like to do, Derek? Well, that's my crew.